This video will serve as an experiment in a field known as remote viewing. What you will need is a sheet of blank paper, a pencil, and then I'll need your imagination and your patience. Now, since we won't know exactly what's going to happen, bear with me. There is something a little controversial involved, and that's the use of hypnosis. Now, some people don't think that it works, or some people are uncomfortable with it, so we won't really be using that technique specifically. I'll be having a tool brought up onto the screen, and I'll ask you to look into the center. Now, after a while, I'll begin speaking, and it's just to keep you focused, just to keep all of your attention just on the target. Now, the target is a photograph inside this envelope. The envelope is marked 1. 1 is your target. In the envelope is a photograph of an environment. The hope is, through this experiment, enough of you are focusing all of your attention just on that number 1 that you're able to determine some of the characteristics of that environment. So let's begin the experiment. Please keep that pencil in your hand at all times and against that white sheet of paper. Alright, so let's begin. Thank you. I need you to focus all of your attention just on the sound of my voice. Keep all of your attention just on the center of this spiral, and please make sure that you have that pencil in your hand against the white sheet of paper. Alright, keep all of your attention just on the center of this ring. All of your attention just focused on the center of this spiral. All of your attention just on the center. Now as we continue, and as you keep all of your attention just on the center, your eyes may begin to flutter or may become heavier than normal. They may begin to blink a little more than normal. I need you to keep all of your attention just on the center of this ring. Just on the center. All of your attention there. In a few moments I'm going to count down from 10 to 1, and as I approach 1, your eyes will become much heavier and want to close. 10. 9. Your eyes are going to become much heavier now. 8. They're beginning to blink a little more than normal and feeling much heavier now. 7. 6. Feeling much heavier now, and each time that they blink, they're feeling a little heavier and wanting to close. 6. Much heavier now. 5. All of your attention just on the center of this ring. 4. Your eyes are ready to close now. 3. It would feel much better to have them closed. 2. 1. Your eyes are closing now. Allowing your eyes to close very tightly and allowing yourself to relax now. Allowing your eyes to relax. All of your attention here just on the sound of my voice. Deep asleep and relax, and your head will feel much heavier and begin to sink down into your chest. Continue focusing just on the sound of my voice. All of your attention here. I want you to focus all of your attention just on the sound of my voice. I want you to imagine in your mind a very large, blank, white wall. And in the center of this wall is a window, an empty window, through which you're going to focus on the target. The target on the envelope, the number 1 in the envelope. Focus all of your attention there on the center of this window, and you'll soon be able to distinguish features, lines at first. Don't make any assumptions about the characteristics of the things that you see in the window, in your mind. All of your attention here, very relaxed. All of your attention here, just on the sound of my voice. And as you keep all of your attention on that window in your mind, I want you to begin to draw out all of the characteristics that you're beginning to see in this window. Any details that you're beginning to see in this window. Allow your hand to move freely against the paper and draw out anything that you see. All of your attention here. Draw out any details. Allow your hand to move freely and form any of the details that you see in this window. And please remember any of the sensations that you may experience. In a few moments, I'm going to have you open your eyes, and they'll feel fresh and you'll feel very relaxed. 5, 4, 3, 2, coming around, 1, eyes open. This concludes the remote viewing experiment. Please look down at your notes that you may have scribbled down or drawn while focusing all of your attention. And this is the photograph that was actually inside the envelope. Please write in the comments area below any experiences you may have had during this experiment, anything about the drawings, or any thoughts concerning this experiment itself. Thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed yourself and that you found this to be entertaining and perhaps educational. Thank you.